In today's videos, we'll show you how to create the typical melodic sequencer you can hear in many Afro house records. To do this, we'll be using Bitwig and working on the same project we started last time. We've just improved the groove by adding new elements to make the rhythm section more modern and melodic. To create the typical Afro house sequencer, we use Polygrid. I remember you, Polygrid is the internal modular synthesizer of Bitwig. Let's see how to create our patch. So basically, the sound source is the unison oscillator of Polygrid. We use two of them. From the oscillators, we go to the ADSR envelope, then to the comb filter and resonant filter, and finally to the main output. For the melody, we used a step sequencer that passed through a value scaler to reduce octaves. From the value scaler, we enter the quantizer where we decide which notes to use, and finally enter in the volt per octave input of the oscillator to pitch it. We then use a gate sequencer to trigger the envelope and the dice module and the modulation module, which we use to modulate some parameters of the ADSR and the filter. Let's listen the result. In the description below, guys, you can download the patch that you can use to start creating your sound. Remember that if you want to change the melody, you will need to work on the step sequencer and the pitch quantizer in this way. If you want to change the sound, you will need to modify or change the oscillator. Here you can find all the oscillator inside the Polygrid. And if you want to change the way the melody is played, you will need to work on the gates and on the ADSR. Use the gates to change the rhythm and use the ADSR to shape the sound. As always, guys, we suggest using these sound design techniques to experiment and create your own customized sounds. Remember also to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.